Samantha Cosper. I'm your current Cassville Community Teachers Association president, and this video is to tell you a little bit about CCTA, Cassville Community Teachers Association, and what our organization does, and to give you some information on how you can become a member. So our association is open to all staff members at Cassville R4. So it does not matter if you are a certified or a classified staff member. This our group is open to everyone, and we invite you to join. Our association is designed to build a connection between all staff here and between the staff and the community. We strive to provide an ongoing positive relationship between school and home and community, just to make sure that this is the best place for people to work and the best place for students to come and learn. And so your membership is optional, it's not required. It is obtained by paying a yearly dues fee, and we operate in collaboration with Cassville R4 School, but we're a separate association. So some of the things that we do, if you've heard our name mentioned and you're like, oh, I know they're doing stuff, but I'm not sure what all they do. We provide a lot of snacks and food at different meetings. That's probably where you've seen CCTA listed at. We also do some different things throughout the year to try to recognize and appreciate all of our different staff member groups. We do fundraising for scholarships that we award to graduating Cassville High School seniors. We honor retirees every year. We do some professional development activities. Those are mostly for teachers. We also recognize our Board of Education members every year during that time of year to make sure that they feel appreciated, because we greatly are, we have a lot of gratitude for the service that they provide the district, and we want to make sure that we recognize them for that. We attend monthly board meetings, just to be a staff representative there to listen, make sure we're aware of what's going on. We do some different things to thank our business and industry sponsors that come into classrooms, that donate things, whether it be gifts or time or sponsorships. We like to make sure that they feel appreciated. So we do a lot of thank you card writing. We also facilitate different discussions. You've probably seen our surveys that go out, but we just kind of facilitate a process of collecting information and having conversations with the administration here at Cassville to make sure everybody is aware of any staff concerns that might be going on. And we host a banquet normally at the end of every year. We had to miss ours last year, so we're still finishing up some activities from that, but we hosted the annual banquet, which is where we give out several of our awards. This is our current leadership team. So you can see we have people on our leadership team from every single building. And we do operate, we are affiliated with the Missouri State Teachers Association, MSTA, which I sent you a different video and email about. But you don't have to be a member of MSTA to be a member of CCTA. So you can do one or the other or both. It's totally up to you. We do get a lot of our resources and support from MSTA, but you can certainly choose to join CCTA and not have anything to do with MSTA if that's something that you want to do, or vice versa. But we hope you will consider joining. This is our membership form, and we are going to have these on the table, the membership table, on Monday morning for you to fill out. But I know some of you are overachievers, and you might want to print yours out and have it already filled out, especially if you're trying to avoid lines and groups of people. That would be nice. If you do print it yourself, you just need to print page 2. You don't have to front side. But you'll fill this out. This is where you'll do your membership information, and you can payroll deduct your membership. It will come out of your October check. So a professional membership for a full-time certified staff is $15 for the year. And if you are a part-time staff or you are an associate member, which would be our classified staff members, it's $7.50 for the entire year. So just make sure that you mark your membership, and then you mark what it is that you want, how you want to pay. Are you going to attach cash, check? We will staple that to your form, or do you want it to be payroll deducted? The other thing that we collect on this membership form is our scholarship t-shirt order. So every year we sell shirts, and this is what this year's shirt looks like. It's black with gold and white on the front, Wildcat Pride. Jill Polson designed this shirt. I think it looks awesome. I'm excited. These shirts are $15 each. Doesn't matter what size you get. And we sell these every year, and the extra funds that we get from these t-shirt sales goes directly into our scholarship fund. So we are usually able to fund two $500 scholarships. So we hope that we're still able to do that this year. A benefit of purchasing a scholarship t-shirt is that you are able to wear it with jeans on the first Wednesday of every month, which the first Wednesday of every month kind of rotates. Some months it's a professional development school, and some months it's a CCTA meeting. But either way, on that first Wednesday of every month, you can wear your scholarship shirt for this year in jeans. So that's a nice little perk. You cannot payroll deduct your shirt, but you can either go ahead and pay for it with cash, check, or you can wait and just say, hey, yes, I want one, order me this size, and then you can pay for it when it comes in. So that's going to be totally up to you. If you have any questions, please stop by the CCTA table. I will be there that morning. We'll have some of our other members of our leadership team there to help answer questions and get your membership process for the year. I look forward to seeing you guys next week.